We're at the pond, folks. We're at the goat pond, and while small, this place in the past has had some decent sized fish. So I'm gonna come out here today just to see if we can hook into one or two decent size, maybe PB worthy largemouth bass. Let's get to it. This is a good top water pond, so just like the last time, try to start with top water. All right, the goats are welcoming me. Right now it's the middle of the day. It's like 2 o'clock or quarter till 3. So normally this time of day with that sun kind of straight up in the sky, top water, it's not always ideal, but there's barely any wind. Surface of the water is calm, so we're gonna give it a try. We got other tools we can use. So I got the Chopo 90 on, not the 110. Just giving them something a tad bit smaller to latch onto. Not what I wanted. Let's try to get up in there. There we go. Nice little skip hop. There we go. Get in here. He's a baby. Just a baby. And he's barely hooked. That's why it was a little... Hold on. Hold on, Bubba. I'm trying to put you back. Trying to put you back. All right. First one on the top water. That thing on top water. Let's see. Let's do a size comparison. Let's see. Hold on. Let's do it right, Marv. Make it look right. If we can. That's all right. We need bigger though. Back out there. All right. I heard one over there. So my cast over there. Let's see if they'll wake up. Oh yeah, there's something over there. Yep, there we go. There we go. Alright. Wow, okay. This one swiped at it, but got hooked in the back. Look at that. Hold on, buddy. Give me that mouth there. There you go. Get the pliers to get that out of you. All right, that's two about the same size. We got a ways to go if we're trying to get that new PB. Get on back in there. So with my top water, especially the Chopos or the Whopper Ploppers, I normally tie the line directly to the lure, but I realized that these particular lures, you know, you get a lot of line twists in them. So I have the swivel tied onto it, and it allows me to kind of switch out lures a lot easier, and it helps to eliminate the line twist that you get. So I'm not 100% sold on it, but it's working. And on this line, I'm fishing braid, 17-pound test braid. So I don't fish braid normally. I don't have a lot of rods rigged up with braid. This is the only rod that I have rigged up with braids. I hope this passes us quickly. Wasn't expecting a whole lot of rain in the forecast. Might have to shut down the cameras for a little bit. They're GoPros, but I got some open ports on them, so I don't want the water to ruin them. All right, we had to pull on some cover for a while. Hang out until this rain passes. I don't think it's gonna be here long. I was more or less worried about the open ports on the cameras, getting water in them. But I think we should be okay. Yep, this is turning out to be a heavier downpour than I originally expected. I had to move back further into the tree line. Not helping much. Oh. Yeah. It's gonna be a minute, folks. All right, I think we have recovered. The rain has kind of stopped and we got our cameras dried off. So we should be good. So let's continue what we were doing as soon as we get untangled here. Thinking that the rain will have helped to bite it a little bit. I see you. There we go. Oh. I missed one. I do believe it was a itty bitty though. We'll try again. I originally said I was only going to fish the top water here for, a short period of time, but then we got the rain that came in, and we went right back to it after the rain stopped. And oh my God, there we go. Right as I'm talking. That was a nice hit. Yeah, it was a nice hit. This is a nice one, folks. This is a nice one. Oh, he got a lot of pull to him too. Much bigger. Here, let's get that net. Because he's... Let's get it net. All right. You ain't gonna mess around. That's what I'm talking about. This right here is... And he was... Oh, man, he was barely hooked. Well... Back hooks got him, but I was sitting here talking about possibly putting this top water down. All right, you got it all twisted up in here. Let's get you out without hurting you. What in the world? Just that one. There we go. Okay. All right. All right. Without wearing this, I'm going to say this is about 2.5, maybe 3. A good 3-pounder. But I know that there's some bigger ones out here, folks. I know there are. I always got to show that mouth. But hey, let's get them back get us another one. Come on out. There you go. And I'm gonna do something that I probably shouldn't do. This one has 6-pound test on it. I'm gonna take this road runner off. I'm gonna put on one of those little miniature heading torpedoes and see what happens. And on second thought, I decided to go ahead and put the mini torpedo on that braided pole, because I know if I got anything of size, that 6-pound test, probably be gone. I don't know how much action we're gonna get out of it, but we're gonna try. There we go. Oh, we got us one. The smallest one of the day, but that torpedo got it. Again, when they this small and they get hooked, you gotta be careful that unhooking them, they don't hook you. All right, that's the front. Oh, that's the back, rather. Nice and delicate. Open up. Okay, well don't. That's what you call a easy, quick release. All right, folks. It looks like the bass had quit on us, which is probably not a bad thing for today, because I really need to get off the water and go and pick up my mom's dog. We didn't get the pond monster today, but that's okay. I do appreciate y'all hanging with me. There'll be other days to come out here and try again, but thank you for chilling with me. Y'all know the saying. As always, until next time, until next video, y'all be easy. All right, Dora, where you at? Time to pick you up. You ready to go? You ready to go? You ready to go? You ready to go? Yep. You can be staying with me for a couple of days. All right, let's get all your stuff and let's go. Let's go.